Okay, now our plan is to go to the NASA Central Visitor, and in the afternoon we will have a boat trip. That sounds interesting, actually. Maybe, and also in the like tonight we will also have a Korean barbecue with my sister and her husband, probably. Okay, let's wait and see you guys.
Let's make tonight the weekend. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. Got no reason not to celebrate. Baby, I just don't wanna wait.
Also, there's like the NASA is was built in order to like gather information around the Earth. Oh my gosh, I'm here. Hello, hello. That's perfect. Like the NASA is in order to like they want to study and focus on the ecosystem, like the that support our lives, and like want to study about the how the world is working, and like everything is active. That's wonderful. Like they want to study deeply about the potential, and also like the the term and the ambition, and like just try to want to understand the instinct of the like everything surrounding in our earth. Yeah, you can see it is satellite that like the satellite can see the earth in many ways when the earth is like rotating. Yeah, like this. Saw it in many ways. Like the satellite is like to the to deliver the information and the surrounding things, such as the shapes and the materials, which is like flew and crash landing on Earth. Yeah, yeah. Like mostly the satellite is to gather like the materials. Oh no, just to observe. Rồi nãy anh thấy rồi ạ. Observe everything around, like everything happening around the earth. It's kind of like just to like show the signal, and like, oh wait, let me say the satellite that's created by human, that to just to reflect like the signal and like everything around Earth. Yeah, kind of cool. Like when it like recorded it as after that it will send the like the image or the signal that like allow the NASA, the next central NASA can see it and like study about it, and like put it into a archive that make people like enable people to like mm, and like another thing that I would like to show you, that's like the fact that like the like kind of energy from the solar system like go like they go through the fact that like some kind of solar energy that go through go directly into people, but like some of them like don't they don't go like they go indirectly and because of the existence of the my genetic field, like it like attract the solar energy that they don't go like directly into like our skins, and like the people that they don't feel like, too like boiled and too hot, like they don't feel it.
And keychains are over there.
Oh, here is the like the Arsenal souvenir. Everything is here. Yeah, so now like the temperature is hot now, like I just want to go home. Yeah. So now we will get out of here. Like everything here was wonderful. It is NASA center. Oh, I still got a tag here, but I will cut it later.
I've been chasing so long, every ride that feels wrong. Rather be with you instead. Something about it right here got me seeing so clear. Rainbow colored skies ahead. Now, oh, I'm in a sea of lights, and all that I can see is you. And now I'm dying to feel alive. So baby, let's try something new. Let's make tonight the weekend. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. Got no reason not to celebrate. Baby, I just don't wanna wait. Tonight's the weekend. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. Got no reason not to celebrate.
Always stay on the right hand side of the boat. It's coming towards you. Just an FYI.
Trông nó trôi cứ xa sao ấy được.
Good, you're good. Straight ahead, good.
Oh.
Let's make tonight the weekend. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. Got no reason not to celebrate. Baby, I just don't wanna wait. Swimming in the deep blue got me thinking about you. I'm just trying to dive right in. Wanna spend tonight like the last night of our lives, chasing all the love we can. And now
Okay, guys, like that was really good. John is a professional that I have never met.
Tell them what we're having.
Ah. Let's go back in his juices.
Is that plate clean or do we have meat?
Okay, now we are totally belly and we got a kimchi. That's great, very good. And John is toasting for us because he is a professional chef. Yeah, he can cook everything. Oh, that's so good, bro. They have been working with this place for about 10 years. That's huge. So professional. Okay, after wrapping dinner and having a big buffet, now we are heading to our home. Yeah, that's so warm, actually.
Oh, I'm